We're here in Pasadena on Villa Street, and the winds have started up again. They're picking up. This is, I think this is the 1900 block of Villa. And you can see there's a huge tree that was just uprooted onto the sidewalk. And plenty of traffic now. We got other trees that are down. The other tree that was uprooted here, right next door, and it's just a huge, huge mess here. Trees that just couldn't handle the wind and got uprooted. Good, how are you?
Thank God, I'm thanking God that he was still on my house.
Is that your house there? Wow. That is very fortunate to fall that way.
The wind was blowing south.